Yo, what's going on? So today I'm going to be getting together with my buddy Evan. You remember Evan and his first gen 4Runner. We worked on the replacing the radiator on there not too long ago. But yeah, he's on his way right now to pick me up. He's done a couple modifications to his truck that I want to give you guys an update on. And also we're going to be changing out the leaf springs on his truck. So check that out. We're going to be heading over to somebody's parking garage so we have like a nice shaded spot to work on. It is super hot right now here in Texas, so that's gonna be nice. And yeah, so check it out. And then afterwards, I think we're gonna be heading to the beach to enjoy the rest of the day, barbecue, and just hang out. Oh, and here's Evan. Ready to do this, man?
Hell yeah, man.
All right, let's do it. Let's go.
Yeah. I remember Keith didn't have, or he had so many vacations.
So here we are in the garage that I was talking about, and let's take a look over Evan's 4Runner. So it's been a while. Now he hasn't done too much. He did get the soft top on there, took off the hard top. I don't remember. I think the hard top was still on, so that's one thing he's done. And of course he got a rear bumper for the 4Runner, which I think it looks pretty good. I like it. It's pretty tight. And other than that, just a couple of little maintenance things he's done to the truck. But yeah, that's about it. And today we're going to be changing out the leaf springs. So do a little time lapse of that. But other than that, like I said, still work in progress and just taking it a little steps at a time. And he's trying to make this ready so we can head out to this big trip we have planned at the end of the year. So hopefully he can tag along, and I'll let you guys know a little bit more about that in another video.
So I've got a 24 and a half right now. 24 and a quarter is about.
24, yeah.
Yeah.
Measure the other side, see, is the other side sitting the same?
Yeah.
24 and a quarter.
27 and a quarter.
Cool, so we're gonna get these leaf springs on. What leaf springs are these, by the way?
Old Man Emus.
And these are just a OEM replacement for exactly what came with the truck?
Yeah, it's funny because I always got confused by OME and OEM, but yeah, I mean, I was doing some research and these are pretty good. I mean, they do a lot of suspension and springs and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Off-roading vehicles, so it would be a good spot to pick up some new ones.
Cool.
Yeah,
well,
all right. I guess we'll start with the right here. People's.
So we're done. Finally got the leaf springs in. Didn't run into any problems. So now we're gonna see how much higher the truck sits now with the new leaf springs, since the old ones were sagging quite a bit. What do you think, Evan?
It's 24 and a quarter.
24 and a quarter.
I think it's gonna go up to 20, 26 and a half. That's my prediction.
It's a pretty good increase.
Let's see. 2 inches.
I'm gonna get wheels on right now and see how much higher it's sitting. The old leaf springs. Yeah, it looks good.
You added maybe 2 inches? 2 inches? Alright, that's what I thought. I think it's 3 now. What do you think, Robert?
Man, it was pretty low before. I'm thinking probably around maybe 4
4, huh? 4 inches?
with
more?
3. Say 3.5.
So you think 28? I'm sorry, 27.
What was it originally?
Because before the front looked a lot higher.
It was what?
24 and a quarter.
24 and a quarter. I'm thinking 28. Yeah.
24, quarter, 25, just I'd say 28.
I'm gonna go with 29.
29.
You guys got 28? Oh, 28 and a half.
Shit.
How about that? All right, so I raised it from 24 inches to 28.
4 and a quarter.
So 4 inches.
4 inches.
4 and a quarter.
4 and a quarter.
Man. It cost me like $2,000 to get a 4-inch lift.
Yeah, you need to
Dog, you
lift
need
up the front now.
serious spaces in front. ASAP. But I think you have to wait because this is settled.
Yeah. I gotta drive it, and then I'm gonna remeasure it.
Yeah. Measure when we get to Dallas and see if anything happens.
Done. Keep going back. Turn that way, slow down. Turn that way. Alright, straighten out.
Hey, quiet.
Yeah, she almost drove us into the ocean right now.
Shut up.
We had a great time at the beach after installing the leaf springs on the first gen 4Runner, which, by the way, we could feel a huge difference in the ride. It was a lot smoother. And so yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, check y'all later.